even to something as simple as if you give me a free meal, मुझे इडली खिला दोगे मैं तुम्हें वोट दे दूंगा, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है बॉस. You see, this is what people did from the beginning. They tried to control population and they were put down. We have that kind of population. We have a beautiful climate, beautiful earth, so we have abundance. That is why Muslims came. That is why Britishers came. वहीं से problem आ रही है ना हमारी. So our root cause is population, and people play on that. Politics is all about power.
Right. China is as populated as us, but then I don't think it's the same culture there.
They are disciplined because they have a different rule. The rule is different. Democracy.
Who makes the rules?
I think people in power, because हमारे देश में तो जनता बना नहीं सकती ना. We can't make the rules. Believe me, miracles happen. Because people, although they may be sold for a few pennies, but then they do get fed up also. Because promises are never kept. These promises are made temporarily and it affects them. Things happen. After all, India is moving fast in a lot of directions. This will take time. But then we keep our fingers crossed. Things will be good.
Now that there are elections next year, the central elections, who do you think should be there in the power to, have this positive momentum going?
First is, please get middle class people. Because they are the ones who suffer both the ways. They are the ones who understand what is required. Bureaucracy is different.
Right.
And then when we have people coming from the absolute lower rung, what we try to do is SC, ST ko segregate kar do. We want their votes. Please. And then try to get people. See, we go through the poorer section only because we want their votes, and they form a major part of the country. What about the middle class? Get people who have worked, who are there. They are the people who understand both the sides.
Right.
We need to target them instead of,
So it's high time that we do away with caste and religion, is what you're saying.
First thing, there should be nothing known as having to put anything beyond your nationality. Indian. No state, no caste. That's the first thing. Which state? What difference does it make? Unless I am coming only to the state. It's a national level thing. For God's sake, India nahi dikhta.
Rahul Gandhi says India is a union of states.
I wish not to talk about Rahul Gandhi at all. We have to understand that experience will be there with him. Let's give everybody their due. He belongs to the Gandhi family. But the most beautiful person in Gandhi family was Rajiv Gandhi. The most beautiful person, whatever he was done away with, whatever happened, this nobody knows. Okay. Things happened terrible. हमारे कंट्री में तुम प्राइम मिनिस्टर को असैसिनेट करते हो और वो assassinates छूट जाते हैं. Have you ever thought of people who caught those assassins? There were people from the Indian Navy who did that. And there was this gentleman who did that single-handed. Right. And nobody even knows his name. This was a gentleman named PPS Dhillon. He was a lieutenant commander then. And single-handed, he nabbed those people in Rameshwaram. Right. They had cyanide and he hit them in the gut. They threw up that cyanide and the other people, Rambara and all, they swallowed it. What the hell, yaar? Unka to naam bhi nahi hai. So let's understand that your father was assassinated over here, killed mercilessly, and you're still wanting votes and still doing things. I just wish them all to be safe, happy. Politics hai bhai, everybody has right to be in politics. But then Modi ka mukabla nahi kar sakta koi boss. Starting from where he is, all that he is doing, I mean, taking care of a country like this is very, very difficult. And the way it has been manhandled by people in the past. I mean, once again, from history and from the other ruling parties. I mean, it's so sad that Modi had to take over the reins when the times were so turbulent and difficult and the country was in shambles. COVID, kya handle nahi hua? What have we not done? People are looking up to us today, for everything, for the way we tackled and the unruly population that we have. So let's give him his due, yaar. Let's give him his chance.
He wears expensive suits and he goes on a foreign trips and things like that.
अब वो कपड़े भी ना पहने. बड़ा इतराज़ है हमें हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर के कपड़े पहनने पर. वो कपड़े उतार दे और तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? How dare? Look, only those kind of people will make these remarks who are, I don't want to use that language. Okay? Give the PM his due. He is one of the simplest, nicest person going around on this earth and he deserves the best. और जिसको सड़ना है वो तो सड़ेंगे ही यार. That's what it is all.
Also been called Panoti because India lost match.
Jesus Christ. Was he playing, did he play cricket? I didn't know that.
No, he was in the stadium.
Oh my God! तो शाहरुख खान आता है, हारते हैं तब तो कोई कुछ नहीं कहता. Prime Minister match देखने आया. How many more people were there? There were celebrities. There were PMs from different places. Everybody was there. We lost because fine यार, somebody played better. यार बताओ, ये sports को politics से दूर रखो यार. Sickening. Sports is meant to give you happiness. Let's not mix sports and politics. Modi is the best thing that could happen to this country ever.